Have you ever wondered how your body performs complex tasks effortlessly? The secret lies in the intricate dance between your neural and endocrine systems. Coordination is the magic word here, where organs interact and complement each other's functions seamlessly. The neural system, with its network of neurons, ensures rapid coordination, while the endocrine system uses hormones for chemical integration. In lower invertebrates like Hydra, a simple network of neurons exists, but in insects, it's more complex with numerous ganglia. In vertebrates, the neural system reaches its peak development, showcasing the marvel of evolution. The human nervous system is a masterpiece, divided into the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system, hollow and dorsal in vertebrates, comprises the brain and spinal cord, the command centers of our body. The peripheral nervous system, made up of cranial and spinal nerves, extends between the central nervous system and body parts, controlling voluntary functions. The autonomic nervous system, with its sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions, manages involuntary functions, keeping our body in balance. Neurons, the building blocks of the neural system, are composed of a cell body, dendrites, and an axon, each playing a crucial role. Dendrites transmit impulses towards the cell body, while axons carry them away, ending in synaptic knobs filled with neurotransmitters. The myelin sheath, formed by Schwann cells, insulates axons, with gaps known as nodes of Ranvier aiding in impulse conduction. When a neuron is at rest, its axon membrane is more permeable to potassium ions, creating a polarized state with a resting potential. A stimulus changes this, making the membrane permeable to sodium ions, leading to depolarization and the creation of an action potential. This action potential travels along the neuron, causing a wave of depolarization and repolarization, transmitting the nerve impulse. Reflex actions, our body's rapid response to stimuli, involve a reflex arc with afferent and efferent neurons.